Alright guys, what to do? It's your boy X coming to you guys with another video. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the consumer price index and how things are skyrocketing in price. The imminent crash, I'm calling it. I know it's going to happen. I've been saying it. Just don't know how bad it's going to get. But a stock market crash is coming. Most definitely a real estate market is going to get I don't know how much of a reset. I don't think Memphis is going to get hit that significant, but it's going to be down. But it's all coming, and I know I'm not no financial advisor. I'm not no millionaire yet. Like that. And my opinion may hold this much weight, but hear me out, people. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so before we get in the video, would you mind subscribing to my YouTube channel? Why? It really does help my channel. It's slowly growing, people. It really is. So subscribe. If you like what I'm saying, you can hit that like button. Why hit the like button? It helps push my content to more people, which hopefully they will also subscribe. So appreciate the love, appreciate the support. Now let's get into this consumer price index. Why do I think it's going to get bad? One, everybody does. Did you see the market fall today? It went down. We went down. It's looking mad terrible. Like we talking like pandemic terrible right now. Why is it bad? Because everything is literally increasing in price. Top leading things were, I think, airfare, transportation, and like groceries or something like that. I went to the grocery store and I'm telling you, I didn't get like a lot of stuff. I want to get some milk, some coffee creamer. Maybe I got like a Haagen-Dazs, you know what I'm saying? And some milk. And maybe like a Red Baron's pizza. I walked out, spent almost $50, and I just really looked at my cart with the 8 items, just like, how? Inflation, people, is real. I know they're saying gas prices are going down, but I peep game. Gas prices went all the way up, and then they did start to trickle down. But as of the last week or so, I've been noticing those gas prices are slowly again on the rise. Inflation, people. I'm not in the traveling mode yet. Not there. Can't really just speak on the travel. I couldn't tell you the price of anything. I made a lot of Amex points, but just sitting there collecting dust right now. Like, I'm not in the traveling mode yet. I'm in a grind mode. But they said airfare was literally the #1 thing that just really like grew. The thing that happened personally to me that made me start really just like, yeah, because I knew the market was going to crash, do like a correction, just due to like, inflation already, just us printing money. But I didn't know the significance of it until literally like a couple of days ago. I work at the post office. We got vending machines. I don't buy another vending machine. But the other day, the guy was refilling the vending machine, and I noticed the canned drinks were literally $1.25. We talking canned drinks. These things used to be 50 cents a quarter. You know what I'm saying? You can get a whole 12 pack for like $3. One can was $1.25, and I said, that's crazy. Then I ended up stopping at the gas station at work, and I was just having to walk by them canned sodas again. They're $1.20 in the gas station. In Memphis, no, Tennessee rather, we have like a very high sales tax, so it's high. It's like $1.20 in the store, and you like walk out like it's $1.37 or something. That's a lot of money for a canned drink. What's that? 4 sips? My God, that price just like, that's a lot. Like anybody who do any type of gathering, you use soda. Bartenders gathering, you use sodas. That's so much money. Like I saw at Kroger's, the actual like a 12 pack was like over $5. Like, my God, what up? Wild. That's when I really just like, yeah, it's getting bad out here. It really is getting bad out here, people. Now I know what you're thinking, bro. You basing all your logic off of canned soda? Yeah, I am. Like it's the small things that really cost a lot that really irk my pockets, and I don't have time for it, right? Something has to happen, which clearly is going to be devastating prices increase and a crash. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, not even a little bit, but I do pay attention, and I plan to be a millionaire. So I try my best to absorb as much news and everything as possible. Interest rates are going to be catastrophic. Anybody who is in debt, you're going to be thoroughly hurting in the coming months, if not year. Like, it's going to be bad. How long it's going to last, we have no idea. Interest rates, to me, I'm pretty much guessing it's going to be a whole percent. I know they pricing in 50 and now they're saying 75. Nah. I think he's really going to hit us with a 1%. Because things is just really getting that bad out here. Gas is slowly trickling back up. The grocery store hitting different. Rents are ridiculous right now because interest rates on houses are literally going through the roof. So at this point, if people can afford houses before, there's no way in the world they can afford it now. It's like, it's not like people have gotten raises, and like at all these places except Kroger's, they think they slick. A lot of places have increased your wages, so you feel like you're making more money. It's not happening because so much inflation. Like, it's pretty bad. With all this stuff increasing in price, from rents to no cars to airfare to groceries, even though people have gotten those raises, it's not going to make a significant difference because everything's going to cost more. And I don't think people understand what the consumer price index actually is and like how to use it as a scope to understand things. It pretty much tells Jerome Powell, like the Fed people, how much they increase the interest rates. So let's say they see that the economy people are, the average consumer, me and you, right? We're spending money. Like, he raised the prices to make stuff more expensive so you won't spend money, and we were just like, we don't care. We living our best life. So you keep spending money. He has to increase interest rates again. And he been doing that right all year, but we keep spending more money. So at some point he's gonna have to say, they don't believe fat meat greasy. And he's really gonna have to really stick it to us and make everything we personally need and want so high that you can afford it. And on top of that, it's not like he's just single you out specifically. He has to do it across like the entire board. When that happens, the companies that employ us, it's going to cost them so much money to do everything. What are they going to do, people? They've been doing it already. Google, Facebook, they've been laying people off. They've been halting hiring, right? We may not be seeing it, at like a base level. Like, if you're just not like a white collar worker or whatever, like, but it's coming. If that happens, what's going to happen? You're going to have to do more work at your job. Why? Because they're going to have to start letting people go. They're going to have to start letting people go. Stuff is going to increase in prices. All the people who like, I don't want to work. You ain't going to have a chance to work. My advice, if you can get a job, get you a job, hold that job. That job till you do a jump jack, do 5. Why? You don't know how bad this is going to get and how long it can get stressed out. Don't forget, like I said, a lot of people have been getting more money, and a lot of people are not the most responsible with their money. So it's not like they're going to take their money just, I'm going to save because no recession. A lot of people want to get their money just like, I always want this X item, or I always want to do this X thing, and they're going to do it. Why? Because that's what they want to do, and it's their money, right? That's what they tell themselves. You need to have a source of income for what's going to transpire. Save your money. Get a job. I don't want to get no job. I'm an entrepreneur. My boy, my girl, get a job. You can still be an entrepreneur and work. Come on now. Do yourself a solid. Trust me. You want to be out of debt. You want to have a job. You want to have active income coming in. It's going to get very bad. Very bad. Another thing to take in consideration. Amazon had a fire recently that literally halted and delayed so many orders. I myself ordered a package at the beginning of August. It is past September 10th and that package just shipped, and I'm a Prime member. Prime don't mean anything nowadays. People not under, like, actually watching news and understanding. You got UPS people who finna attempt to go on strike because they contract up and they just feel like they should get paid more. Hey man, it be like that. You got Amazon people that they want to strike because they want their own union, like the rest of the delivery companies. We're literally finna come into literally the most expensive part of the year. Why is it the most expensive part of the year? Everybody buys stuff for Christmas and all these holidays. You got 3 holidays back to back. And more than that if you count like all the other ones. So it's like you just holiday season. These companies or people it's gonna be a very rough peak season. Amazon can't push their parcels and packages. Everybody trying to go on strike. People want raises. It's getting catastrophic. The writing is on the wall. Pay attention. Open your eyes. Get a job. Hold that job down. Get out of debt. Set yourself up. It's going to get bad. I'm telling you, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you how to live your life, but word of advice, if it was some people I know, some of my family, some of my friends, and they say, hey, you know what I need to be doing? Getting out of credit card debt, stacking you some money, and getting you a job. It's going to get very bad out here. But it's just me, a random guy on YouTube. I would love to know what what are some of the things that you guys are seeing that makes you think that it's going to get better than what it is, or we're just seeing the tip of the iceberg right now. Leave me in the comments. I would love to talk about it because, like I said, it's the sodas, it's the canned pops for me. It's all the strikes and the people talking about they don't want to deliver these packages. People don't want to work. It's a chance. All these jobs laying people off. It haven't came down to like the grunt level yet, but man, if you're a grunt worker like myself, prepare yourself, man. It's gonna get bad. Be on the good side of the foot. Save your money, get a job, get out of debt. But it's your boy X here, and I'm out.